Who do we have here today?
Erica.
Erica, what are we doing?
Skydiving. And Abigail.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers today. Whose idea was this?
Hers. Yep.
Your fault if this goes wrong?
Yep.
If we don't make it, are we celebrating anything?
Her 21st birthday.
If we don't make it to 22, any last words, final comments, confessions?
It's been fun.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive and have some fun, ladies. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Woo! You ladies ready to get in this airplane? Get up, get out of this thing, go have some fun in the sky? You're both crazy. High five. High five. High five. Let's go rock a skydive. Oh, yeah. Better. Pull the right one down. Look at the camera, smile. Spinning. Lift the left one up. Lift it up. Yeah, there you go. Pull the left one down as hard as you can. Perfect. Hands up, relax. Give it a back. What did you think of that?
That was awesome.
You had fun, huh?
Yeah.
Can you do that again?
Maybe.
Yeah? Next time I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta find the golf ball. Good job. What was your favorite part?
Probably the spinning around.
Yeah.
Just seeing the mountains.
You did
so
awesome.
Pretty. So
Skydive
pretty.
Colorado Springs. This could be you.
Yeah.
Woo!